Bicycle sharing. Pollution. Congested. Due. Self-service. User. Users. Deposit. Register. Rent. Flow. Smooth. Smoother. Due to. For free. Many large cities in the world face problems related to air pollution and congested roads. These problems are mainly due to the number of cars and the city road systems. A bicycle sharing system was developed to solve these problems. This system has many self-service stations around the city. The users of this system are usually required to pay a deposit or register before they use a bicycle. After that, they can rent a bicycle and return it to any station. They can use a bicycle for 30 minutes for free, for example, and pay some money if they ride for more than that period. The use of bicycles reduces the number of cars on the roads. As a result, the flow of traffic becomes smoother and the air becomes cleaner. Bicycle sharing leads to solutions to the problems that cities face. That is why this system has quickly become popular in many cities.